then of course we have to take action against them.
The Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council is contemplating to bring in a legislation to regularize the hosting of Monolith Festival every year and also preserve, promote and showcase the traditions and culture of Khasis. This was informed by KHADC Deputy CM Pinchangan N. Same while speaking to reporters following the final inspection of the Khasi Heritage Village at Moplang, which will be the host the upcoming Monolith Festival from March 7 to 9th. The council is holding the festival after a long gap of 8 years. Justifying the need to hold such festivals, AIM said that these festivals allowed the council to showcase the traditional ways of living and dressing. The festival will also highlight the traditional way of medication through herbs, along with folk songs and dances. Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong will grace the inaugural function of the festival, while Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma is set to be present on the closing day.
Inam, ngalaban hawi katin. Pendinam megai, karwai kasiau, kasyat kamasti, katem kaput, kumpul mendang kabam gadi, nanta kitiar kibangisna mangi, mo kikra kendo berjuai juai. Mbitang kata, mo kibabun kibenta, kibang haban showcase ni.